Good morning, may buntag. Welcome to my channel, Bisaya made in Washington. Don't forget to subscribe and click like. Thank you and enjoy watching.
Hindi ako kahigo. Basta pa akong buhok. Ako lang yung anak na. This is how I dry my hair because I don't want to lose more hair. I'm getting thinner. It's getting older. It's getting thinner. So I just do like that. So help me how to do my makeup today, okay? Okay. I'm gonna put some mousse on my hair while still wet. That's what Andrew said, told me that you need to put the mousse, Mom. It's like a pum. It's like a bubbles. A pum on mousse. And put in your wet hair. That's what he said to me. How to carry your hair while still wet. Not when it's dry. So it will define the curls of your hair. I learned this from my son. He knows how to take care of the hair better than me. Mother learning from their own son. Okay. Nipis ang buhok. No, nipis pa. It's too thin, but she'll take care later when it's dry. So I have to put this first before I put my makeup. Okay, once I have my makeup, it's hard. I have to put this now. Okay, while still wet. I like the curly so it gives the volume of my hair. Okay? Next is how to do the makeup. Okay, mag-ilis na ko daan. Before I put the makeup so that just delete sabon sa akong mga makeup. Before I... Okay. 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 I'll be back, okay? Hey, I'm here again. I'm gonna put some lipsticks as a finishing touch for my makeup. Not heavy makeup. Just like this. I'm ready for the limousine ride. Okay, think it's okay now. Just not too much makeup. And that's it for today. I'm ready for the limousine ride. And thank you for watching. Bisaya made in Washington. Don't forget to subscribe and hit like. Thank you. Bye. I'm looking ready for the party tonight. And this is my makeup for today. I'm ready for Juicy. Thank you for joining me having this makeup. And don't forget to subscribe and hit like. Bisaya made in Washington. Thank you. Bye.